What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Naomi, and I'm back with another video. So today, judging by the title, I did get a package in, and I just could not open it without letting you guys in on it with me, and I'm super excited. So let's get started. Okay, so this is how my package came. Go ahead and open it. Should have got some scissors, but we gonna get it. We gonna get it open. Okay, so in the package, this is just a little packing slip, little invoice thing that came in it. And I got my Kaior waist eraser. So excited to try it out. And I think I ended up getting it in a small, if I'm not mistaken. So this is how it came in black and white. And let me see what size I got. I don't remember. Oh, I got small, medium. Small, medium is how it came. And then I also ended up getting the body burner as well, the slimming cream. So can't wait to try that out. And then I also got the 14-day detox slimming tea, because I've been following her on IG for a very long time, and I love the results other people are getting, so hopefully I can get some good results too. And then on top of that, I am already doing a 30-day fitness / weight loss challenge, and I'll keep you guys updated on how that's going too so far. So first, I want to try this on camera with you guys so we can see how it fits. Okay, so I probably should have put it on camera, but I kind of struggled with it a little bit. But this is what it looks like. And basically, this part just straps on, and then you have these two straps, and you just pull them closed. And I know she recommends that you wear it almost all day. She said she recommends you to sleep in it. So I know I'm definitely going to wear it for my workouts that I do. I work out 5 times a week, Monday through Friday. So I know I'm going to definitely wear it when I work out. And then I might wear it to sleep in, you know. So, and I also have a different waist trainer that I ordered from somewhere else that I was sleeping in. So, but this is it, and I cannot wait to give the slimming tea a try, and then also the body burner. I'm actually probably gonna do during the 14 days while I'm on the detox tea. I'll probably end up doing a review on it too, just to keep you guys updated on how it works, and also with the body burner cream. Actually, I'm gonna open it up and see. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what it looks like and see what it smells like, if it has a certain smell to it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It smells like, I don't know, it doesn't smell bad. Some of it came out, but feels like a Nice little body cream. And then with the tea, detoxifying for healthy weight loss, organic and natural. Let's see what the tea looks like. I will not open it all the way. Smells good. But this is what the tea bags look like. And they have her little name, Kaior, on it. So this is what the tea bags look like. And I'm already like somewhat of a tea drinker, so hopefully it doesn't taste too bad. But yeah, so that's pretty much the end of this video. Just comment, guys, comment. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm new to this thing, so I'm really trying to get the gist of everything. But please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me any other videos that you guys would probably like for me to see. I also have uploaded previous videos to this. If you haven't checked it out already, go and check it out. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you.